Today's video is regarding HP Officejet Pro 8022 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of this printer. First step is to switch on the printer, open the front door, so just push it outside and lift this section up. It will hold itself, and now go to the ink cartridge chamber. To remove the ink cartridges, press the lock and take the ink cartridge out. To install the new ink cartridge, simply match the color and the alphabet. Place the ink cartridge here and press it down. So you have to place it in the right position and then press it down. Once you install the ink cartridges, simply press the ink cartridge chamber door down and it will lock itself. Also close the front door. Go to the display panel and see if there is any error or any problem. Otherwise you will see the main display screen after a few seconds, and then you are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.